Hey guys, Chicken Trash here. Today I'm going to be unboxing AirPods 2. I just got these in the mail today. These are the one with the wireless charging case. It is just AirPods, but it's AirPods 2. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to actually open them. They're still in the plastic wrap, in case you're wondering. I'll just put the camera down for a second whilst I open them quickly. Just whilst I use the knife. It's a bit hard to use whilst holding the camera, okay? Okay, so they look like that. Take this bit off. So then there's plastic on them. Underneath here we have a charging cable. Okay, so just open this bit. So this is the wireless charging case. It does have a wide charger. The difference between these AirPods and this case and the last case is not only the wireless charging, but this light here. You can see on the last AirPods it was like inside here on the case, so if it's charging, if you wanted to see if it's charging or whatever, you had to open the case to check. At least now you can just check here. Alright, so I'll just set up the wireless charger. It doesn't actually come with it, but I have another one. And then once it's set up, I'll be back. Okay, so I just have this wireless charging thing here. It doesn't come with it, like I said. Let's just see if it charges. Okay, so you can see the wireless charging works. So take it off, there's no light. Put it on. You see the light, that means it's charging. Okay. Just take them out. They're just the same as, they look the same as the AirPod 1, generation 1, first generation, but they have better, they're faster at pairing, they have a longer talk time, and they charge faster, and I'm not sure if they have better sound quality, but I think they do. If you want me to actually do a review on them, see how they feel, the sound quality and everything like that, then I'll do that if I get 100 views on this video. So if you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends to watch.